What if you had to start from zero? No followers, no income, no shortcuts already in place. Today, Craig breaks down exactly how he'd rebuild a thriving affiliate business with practical steps, real tools, and no wasted time.
Starting over isn't something I'd want to do, but if I had to, this is the path I'd take. No fluff, no detours, just a system that works, and I'm going to show you how to make it work for you, starting today.
By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what programs and tools Craig would use if he had to build his affiliate empire again from scratch. And don't forget to grab Toolkit 7, your partner stack below. It's free and it includes every program, bonus, and verified link you'll see in this video.
When I first got into affiliate marketing, I felt like I was drowning. There were endless programs, thousands of tools, and everyone seemed to be doing better than me. I spent months chasing shiny objects, buying courses I couldn't finish, and trying to figure it all out on my own. But then I realized something. The right path isn't about knowing more or having better skills. It's about following people who actually use what they promote. That's what shifted everything for me. Here's what I'd do differently if I were starting over today. I'd begin with the Millionaire Partner System. This program is my foundation because it eliminates the hardest part for beginners.
Millionaire Partner System, or MPS, gives you done-for-you tools and resources so you aren't stuck trying to create everything yourself. It's ethical, scalable, and proven to work. If you haven't tried MPS yet, grab the verified link below in Toolkit 7 at millionairepartnership.com.
My biggest mistake early on was thinking I had to do it all. MPS changed that for me. It showed me how to leverage a proven system so I could focus on learning instead of struggling. And when you start seeing results, trust me, that motivation snowballs into something huge.
Sasha T from Miami told us, I started with MPS, but Freedom Breakthrough is where things really clicked. My first $1,000 commissions came within a month. These success stories are no accident. Following Craig's system works.
After building a strong foundation with MPS, I'd move directly into Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. This program, created by Jonathan Montoya, taught me how to scale my income systematically. One lesson that resonated with me was how automation can free up your time while growing your revenue. Freedom Breakthrough removes the guesswork. It teaches you how to build funnels, nurture leads, and ultimately attract sales more effectively.
When we spoke to Jonathan Montoya about Craig's audience, he said this about you. Craig's subscribers are some of the most action-driven we've seen. They actually use the programs, and they succeed because of it. We love seeing them come through. And again, don't forget, you can grab Freedom Breakthrough's verified link in Toolkit 7 below at www.jonathanmontoyalive.com.
Freedom Breakthrough gave me the confidence to know that I wasn't just spinning my wheels anymore. I started seeing predictable income, and that changed everything. Here's a mindset shift I wish I'd made earlier. Affiliate income isn't just about one-off commissions. If I were starting today, I'd prioritize the Home Business Academy HBA. Why? Because HBA offers 80% recurring commissions. That kind of predictability, it lets you focus on growth instead of survival. HBA didn't just teach me how to earn, it gave me a sense of stability. It's hard to describe how freeing it is to know that every month you have income coming in, even when you're not actively working on it.
The Home Business Academy was built for marketers by marketers. It's deeply practical and it rewards action. You can find HBA in Toolkit 7 below or use this verified link now at thehomebusinessacademy.com.
This idea of recurring income changed everything for me. It's why I recommend HBA as the third step in your stack.
For Craig, tools are essential. They save time, simplify workflows, and eliminate overwhelm.
When I was starting out, tools like Systeme.io were game changers. Instead of juggling 5 different platforms for emails, funnels, and automation, Systeme.io gave me one integrated solution. It's why it's still in Toolkit 7 today. Another must-have? Klap. It automates repetitive tasks that would suck hours out of your week. Think about it this way. The less time you spend clicking around, the more time you have to focus on revenue-generating activities.
Craig also uses tools like Jasper.ai for creating high-quality content at lightning speed, and Pictory for editing videos with ease. Even if you're not a tech expert, These tools turn complex processes into simple, effective solutions. And remember, every tool in Craig's arsenal is available through Toolkit 7, so grab it today.
My advice? Don't overcomplicate things. Stick to the essentials. Tools like these will help you build faster, smarter, and with less stress.
Once you've built your foundation, added recurring revenue, and used the right tools, the next step in Craig's roadmap is diversification. Programs like TubeMastery and TubeMagic help you leverage YouTube for passive income that grows consistently. Diversification also means tapping into high-ticket programs like Legendary Marketer or exploring niche opportunities with platforms like Fiverr Affiliate or Quantum Courses.
Here's the best part. You don't need to tackle this all at once. I recommend taking profits from your first steps with MPS and HBA and reinvesting in these programs to scale your business further.
Tina J. from Chicago told us, "Freedom Breakthrough in HBA gave me my first $1,000 month. I reinvested that into Tube Mastery, and now I'm earning from multiple streams." This is what makes Craig's system so effective. One step funds the next. Every program, every tool, and every shortcut Craig shared is in Toolkit 7. It's free, and it's your shortcut to building a stack just like Craig's. Grab it below.
If I could go back, this is exactly what I'd do. Use what works, be consistent, and don't stop until you create the freedom you deserve.
Drop $signs in the comments when you build your first funnel or make your first affiliate sale. Craig reads every comment, and we love celebrating your wins. And don't forget to subscribe and save this video. Your stack starts here, but this is just the beginning. Next up, Craig walks through the Millionaire Partner System in detail. It's done for you, ethical, and ready to help you launch. Don't miss it.